Right. So we're diving deep today into AI and data. We've got this interesting document. It's called AI Strategy for Data Warehouse, Data Quality, and Data Governance.
Okay.
It's not like, a typical white paper. It's kind of like almost like notes from like a brainstorming session,
Yeah.
but from somebody who's way ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
So we're going to be talking about AI agents,
Oh, wow. Yeah.
the death of coding, even something called stepwise management.
Interesting.
So ready to kind of get your mind blown a little bit?
I'm always up for that.
Okay, so the document jumps right into this idea of AI going beyond chatbots.
Okay.
And it talks about AI actually guiding management decisions.
Right.
Stepwise management, they call it.
Mm-hmm.
So what does that even mean for, like, say, a marketing manager,
Right.
trying to juggle campaigns and budgets?
Well, imagine you're a marketing manager and you have to optimize your marketing budget.
Right.
So an AI agent using this stepwise management approach, it could guide you through the whole process. So it starts by analyzing your current spending.
Okay.
And then it kind of it dives deeper.
Right.
It suggests which channels to adjust based on predicted return on investment.
Got it.
But, and here's the kicker.
Okay.
It doesn't stop there.
Right.
It considers external factors like competitor campaigns and even seasonal trends.
Okay.
So it's almost like having a data-driven marketing guru on call 24/7.
Yeah, so it's not just about spitting out numbers.
Right.
It's like
it takes all that data, all those variables, creates a clear path forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's this other concept that really caught my eye.
Okay.
The Metadata Mart AI agent.
Ooh.
It sounds like straight out of science fiction.
Right.
Yeah.
Pretty wild. So think of it
as a librarian for all your data, but not just any librarian.
Okay.
This one's got superpowers.
Right.
Not only does it know where everything is stored, but it can instantly analyze it.
Okay.
And tell you, for example, how a sudden spike in website traffic correlates with your latest marketing campaign.
So that's the power of like real-time updates and analysis.
Exactly.
So you're saying like with this agent, I can actually see the impact of my decisions as they're happening.
Exactly. Exactly.
Wow.
And it's not just about seeing the impact.
Right.
It's about taking action.
Okay.
So the document talks about this idea of text to action.
Okay.
Where you could literally ask the agent, like, what's driving this traffic spike?
Okay.
And it would not only give you the answer, but also suggest actions you could take to capitalize on it.
Talk about democratizing information. Really is.
But, the source also stresses that AI reasoning isn't instant.
It's not.
It needs time to process.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait.
What's the takeaway there?
Yeah, I mean, it's a crucial point.
Okay.
True AI reasoning,
right,
the kind that leads to real insights, takes time.
Okay.
It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about finding those hidden relationships, the patterns that humans might miss.
Okay.
So the more complex the data, the more time AI needs to sift through it, make connections, and ultimately generate those like aha moments.
That makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
And it kind of highlights something else the document emphasizes, data quality.
Yes, absolutely. It's like building a house.
Okay.
You need a strong foundation, whether it's traditional data management or AI.
Right.
It all comes down to accurate, well-structured data.
So,
Garbage out.
Right, exactly.
That's the takeout.
Okay, so speaking of building, the document makes this bold claim that building a data warehouse is essentially the same as building AI.
Interesting.
And I have to admit, that one kind of threw me for a loop.
It's a, it's a thought-provoking analogy.
Okay.
So think of a data warehouse as like the foundation of a house.
Right.
It needs to be well-structured, organized to support everything built on top of it.
Right.
Now imagine AI as the house itself. You can build different rooms, applications on top of that foundation.
Right.
But the entire structure strength ultimately depends on the quality of that foundation.
So a solid data warehouse is essential for any AI application
Absolutely.
to really thrive.
It is, and it goes beyond just applications.
Okay.
Imagine AI generating reports, articles,
right.
even scripts like this one, all backed by, the factual data stored in a data warehouse. That's where things get really interesting.
And that kind of brings us to another bombshell from the document.
Oh, okay.
Human coding is dead.
Wow.
So if AI is taking over the coding,
right.
How do we ensure the data it's working with is accurate? And what does this all mean for people, working with data?
That's the million-dollar question.
Right.
If human coding is truly dead, maybe the most valuable skill in this new world isn't coding, but understanding how to ask the right questions.
So
what questions will you ask your AI agent to unlock the true potential of your data?
Because at the end of the day, it's the questions we ask that shape the answers we receive and the insights we gain.
Exactly.
So think about that, everybody.
Very interesting food for thought.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See you later.